Yes, we are all about travel, and this time Nadia takes us to Coffee Bay, situated on the wild coast in the Eastern Cape.
South Africa, a beautiful country with rolling hills, flatlands and the ocean. Traveling across South Africa is one of life's greatest pleasures. With so much diversity in structures, cultures and environment, you simply can't get enough. Driving through the rural Eastern Cape was a marvel. Everyone is going on about their business at a relaxed pace. At the end of a long winding road, you get to Coffee Bay, a small town in the Wild Coast backpackers accommodation. Coffee Bay is known for the hole in the wall and the boiling water point. Of course, I couldn't resist a selfie. These two spots are one of nature's greatest wonders in the whole wide world.
Well, you know, as Trends Travel, we travel far and wide to find you hidden gems. Today we find ourselves in absolutely stunning Coffee Bay in the Eastern Cape. But we're not just here for the breathtaking views, but some cultural tourism too. Let's go.
We sat down and enjoyed some indigenous games like stick fighting that is still practiced by the young and the old. A beautiful celebration by different Xhosa clans from all over the Eastern Cape.
Mhla ndacinga okokuqala ndacinga ngemoya lapha eCoffee Bay engentlanga kubantwana bethu. Ndacinga uba mhlazimbi xa kungakho into enje kungakho imfundiso kubantwana bethu ngakumbi xa kucingwa ngezinto zethu, amasiko nezithethe. Usazana ndonwabe kakhulu xa ndibona abantwana bezizwe ngezizwe bexhentsa imixhentso yabo ngokwezizwe ezahlukeneyo. Ndiziva ndonwabe kakhulu.
So we just saw these ladies doing a beautiful dance on stage. Molweni bethu nani?
Ewe molweni sisi.
Ninjani, ningabaphi?
Sisuka eNgquza district eNgquza municipality. Phansi kwe-OR Tambo district municipality. Ingquza ke uyawukhumbula uba yileya yabanesiganeko ngo-1960 apho amampondo amatshayo esithi kurhulumente ubandlululo phansi ngamabhasi.
So ithini igama legroup yenu?
Ikhwezi laseNgquza.
Ndicela undicacisele ke mama ngesinxibo esi senu.
Ewe, isinxibo esi sisinxibileyo sisinxibo sabafazi bamampondo bahomba ngolu hlobo.
Different cultural groups came to showcase their dancing skills and, of course, their outfits.
Tuluzobona traditional group yasenqeleni emapondweni lali kulapho siphuma khona thina sisithuluzobona igroup yolutsha eyenza imfene.
Okay. Lento niyenza niyifunda ngubani niyazelaphi?
Hey, sifunde kobhuti bethu abadala ababehlala eGoli ababashiphayo bahlala pha xa bebuya babuye sebesenzisa imfene. So sabona lento uba hey, njengoba singasebenzi singathi sisuke ezilalini lento singathatha senze ngayo umsebenzi futhi. So sathatha senze umsebenzi.
And that's all we have here in this week's edition of Trends Travel. Do remember that we are giving away those set of double tickets to the musical Rock of Ages.